So I've been looking for something unique to build as in a DIY kit, and I came across this company that was going out of business, and I found something that kind of intrigued me. Um, I'm a big Fender Jazzmaster Jaguar Strat slash Telecaster fan. Well, let's just get into this box and let's see what's in it. All right. All right. So, ooh, got some picks. How nice. Man, they definitely wanted to make sure nothing moved around in shipping. All right, so we have all the hardware. It's really light. All right, let's start off looking at the neck. No finish, 100% raw wood. It's maple with maple fretboard. Okay, now here's what's unique. You have P90s, tele kind of style body, thin line F-hole, Jazzmaster Jaguar style tremolo. Has white binding, and it's supposed to be popular back, I think, with maple cap. Um, Routings aren't too bad. One thing I noticed, especially running with the tremolo like a Jag has, normally you have to put a shim in your neck, and they've already routed this to have that angle already in there. We'll have to see how it works whenever we get it put together, but that's pretty cool. Overall, the maple cap looks pretty decent. We have a few blemishes in the wood, but you know, you can't expect a guitar kit to be perfect. There's always going to be a lot of work that you have to do to it. Um, that's what makes it fun. That's what makes it a kit. I see a lot of people complaining, oh, my frets were bad, and oh, this. Well, you know, that's part of learning how to do your fret ends and learning how to crown and polish. That's what makes these things exciting. Um, Overall, the frets on this are pretty decent. I will need to do a little bit of fret end work, but there's no major sprouts happening whatsoever. Plastic nut. let's look at the hardware. Now in this build, we're going to go ahead and use what comes with this. The only thing we're going to be doing is going through the frets, making sure that the frets are all level. We'll use the standard hardware. We won't use the guitar strings that comes with it because, well, those suck. Then once it's all built and we test it, how it sounds and how it plays with the hardware that comes with it, we may go ahead and make another video down the road of actually modifying, putting in better P90s, better tuners, and change the nut out and just do a complete overhaul on this. But we'll see how it goes. Okay. We have two P90s. Hot metal filling tremolo. Typical tuners that you would expect to get in a kit. I do like how they packaged everything. And of course, mini pots. Death strings. It's not a bad looking input jack. Typical three-way. This will probably be the first thing that we actually replace. We'll probably use like a Mustang bridge. These are fairly loose, which can cause intonation issues. They're not plastic. Cheap wire. Back cover. And we get a cable, tremolo, wacky smacky bar, and an Allen key. So there we have it. There's the contents of this kit. Okay, so here's the plan. This would be an extremely long video if I was to record the whole entire process. So what we're going to do is we're going to break this down into 3 or 4 different parts. We will start off in the next video of doing the fretboard, getting it sanded, getting the frets done, and probably go ahead and paint the headstock and oil the neck and the fretboard itself. Then the next part will be prepping, preparing, and painting the body. Then the third video We'll install everything and we'll do a sound demo. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and take care.